Okay, what we're doing today is to be importing our Illustrator logo files into a Photoshop mockup file. Alright, so this is a free mockup I found online, and if we go to Illustrator, this is my Illustrator logo. Okay, so most of the free mockup templates we get follow the same format. All you need to do is just have a look. Notice here it'll tell you to edit me where you want to do. So let's just go to the first one, and what we want to do is you'll see the icon here in the bottom right hand corner. Okay, that's telling you that it's a smart object. Let's double click on that. Alright, and here's that file. So what we can do is just create a new layer. So I'll just try to get into this a bit better. It's not working. Alright, and just give it a background like so. Alright, and okay, you can see the change there. Let's do the same. Double click. Okay, Alt delete to give it a color. I'll just try to get this in. That's why. Alright, so using my foreground color. Alt delete. Good. Oh, sorry. Okay, I just want to make a new layer to do that. Alt delete and save. Okay, so you're not going to see the change unless you save your document. Okay, next thing we need to do is let's import our logo in there. So let's go to File, Place Linked. Alright, and choose our logo file, place, OK, and I'm just going to maybe drag that down. Alright, and do the same in my second. File, place linked. Okay, place. Easy. Alright, and I'll just make this a little bit smaller. Double click to place it. I'll just put it up the top. Now again, if we go here, we don't see the change because we didn't save our files. Alright, once again, this little star up here that tells you that your document is not saved. Let's Command S to save and Command S to save. Okay, there we go. It should be on. Alright, now, good thing about doing it here, now that we've linked our Illustrator file, if we need to do any other changes to it, it just becomes very, very easy. Alright, so I'm just going to change a few of these colors. Alright, just maybe like so. Alright, now, again, make sure that I save. Alright, saving. Now if I go to Photoshop, we don't see the change. But if we go to our Photoshop Smart Objects, there it is. And that's what we need to change. Command S. Alright, let's just bring this down a bit more. Command S. Alright, there are two files. Let's go back to our original. And there we are. So it's just very easy to use. Just remember, save your documents, link your documents, and there you go. Okay.